Today, I'm going to show you how to see what is using API calls in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to monitor your API usage, identify which integrations or apps are consuming the most calls, and ensure you're staying within your limits. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This gear icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings and configurations within Salesforce. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options available to you. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and select Setup. This will take you to the main setup area where you can manage virtually every aspect of your Salesforce environment. The setup area is where administrators spend most of their time configuring users, security, integrations, and monitoring system performance. Once you're in the setup area, look for the Quick Find box. This search box is typically positioned on the left side of the screen under the Home section. It's a powerful tool that lets you quickly navigate to any setting without having to browse through multiple menus. In this quick find box, type System Overview. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the available options to match your search. After typing System Overview, you'll see it appear in the search results below the quick find box. Click on System Overview to open it. This page provides a comprehensive snapshot of your Salesforce instance health and usage metrics, giving you insight into various system resources and performance indicators. Now that you're on the System Overview page, scroll down until you locate the API usage section. This is the key area we're interested in. Here, you'll be able to view a detailed breakdown of API requests made in the last 24 hours. The section will show you the total number of API calls, trends over time, and which specific sources or applications are making those calls. This information is critical for understanding your consumption patterns and identifying any integrations that might be using more calls than expected. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Salesforce API usage data, giving you the visibility you need to manage your API limits effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.